लोगों ने ट्रायंगल का पेरीमीटर कैलकुलेट करना सीखा है। जो अदर पॉलीगॉन है वो क्वाड्रिलैटरल है, इसमें हम लोग सीखेंगे कैसे स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल का पेरीमीटर कैलकुलेट किया जाता है। तो सबसे पहले यदि मैं टेक करूं रेक्टेंगल को, ठीक है, और एज वी नो द फिगर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज that here four vertices, it have four sides in which opposite sides are parallel and equal, ठीक है, and if we take length of AB is equal to L and BC is equal to B, then AB is equal to CD, then measure of CD is also L and measure of AD is also B. Here perimeter of rectangle is equal to sum of all its sides, ठीक है, sum of all its side AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, where from the figure value of AB, measure of AB is equal to L, measure of BC is equal to B, measure of CD is equal to L, and measure of DA is equal to also B. Here we have to use addition of algebra. Here like terms are this and this and this and this. First we have to add L plus L, which is 2L, and B plus B, which is 2B. Here two terms, first 2L and 2B, and both are is in addition. Then here common term is 2. Then we will take 2 outside from both the terms. Then uh, remaining expressions are L plus B. It means 2 into L plus B. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into, in round bracket, L plus B. L plus B. We take the value of L is equal to 2 centimeter and value of B is equal to 4 centimeter. Then the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and 6 into 2, 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is the perimeter of the rectangle. If we take another quadrilateral which is square, then we have to calculate the perimeter of the square. We have to know the definition of the square. What is the definition of the square? Square is a type of a quadrilateral in which four sides and all sides are equal, and each angles, four interior angles, which is 90 degree, and four vertices, which is mentioned here. If we take measure of side A is equal to A units, then since all sides are equal, then measure of BC is equal to A centimeter. Measure of CD is equal to A units, and also measure of BA is equal to A units. Then perimeter of a square is equal to sum of all its boundary. All its boundary, it means AB, BC, CD and DA is the boundary of the square. Then their sum is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And we know measure of AB, line segment AB is equal to A units. Measure of BC, line segment BC is equal to also A units. Measure of CD also A units. Measure of DA is also A units. Here again we have to use of addition of algebra. These are like terms A plus A plus A plus A. A is added by 4 times. A is added 4 times. Then answer will be 4A. It means P is equal to 4A. Here in between 4 and 8 multiplication sign are involved. For example, if we take value of A is equal to 2 centimeter, then perimeter of a square is equal to 8 centimeter. If we take value of A is equal to 4 centimeter, then perimeter of a square is equal to 4 4 16 centimeter. If we take value of A is equal to 5 meter या centimeter, then value of square, then value of perimeter of a square is equal to 20 centimeter.